This is a video of me replacing the motherboard in a Commarker Omni1 UV laser. You can see no instructions included. I'll first start by taking the support and the laser source off the case. I'll just be setting it on a table next to my work area so I don't have to disconnect all the cables. Next, I'll remove the 6 screws to provide access to the motherboard. The 2 in the middle are just on a little extender and it tries to rotate, so you want to make sure and get that lined up when you put it back in so your case doesn't bow out. As you can see, these cables are bent well beyond the norm, but I didn't build it. It is what it is. We're just going to take these 3 cables off. 2 are just in with thumb screws, and the 1 is just going to take one of the Allen keys that came with the machine. Try to be careful. Those cables are probably already bent pretty bad. Then we'll take the screws out of the 4 corners of the motherboard. There's little Teflon spacers that hold it off the case, and it takes a little bit of patience to get the screws lined up through the Teflon and back into the threads on the case. Make sure to keep yourself grounded. Always leave an arm or something laying on the case or the power supply so that you're static free all the time. As you can see, there's a little bit of fun lining everything back up again. You want to tighten these screws snug, but you don't want to torque them down and crack your board. This board lasted almost 2 weeks of really light use before the rotary burned out, which is why I'm replacing the motherboard. I don't really see any upgrades or differences in the motherboard. I certainly hope they modified something before I got it back, because I would like more than 2 weeks of use out of it before I have to do this again. Just replace the cables on the motherboard. And there you have it. New motherboard reinstalled. Put the case back on, and you should be ready to go. Thanks for watching.